In this video, I will show you how to block someone from commenting on your Facebook page. When you are someone that is having a lot of activity on your page, or you are advertising, you will see a lot of scammers who try to comment on your page, try to do posting a lot of useless links that you don't really like or you don't want to see. And so what you can do is you log into your Facebook account, click on the three lines on the top left hand corner. If it's an Android phone, you click on the three lines at the top right hand corner, not left, top right hand corner. If it is an iPhone, you will see the three lines on the bottom right hand corner. So if it's Android, it will be the three lines at the top right hand corner. If it is iPhone, it will be three lines on the bottom right hand corner, bottom. So my own is an Android, so I'll click on the three lines, then I'll scroll down, and then you see settings and privacy. Okay, sorry. First of all, I have to switch to the page. So as you can see, the switch button, or that small arrow that is down, so click on that, and then you will see the pages are there. So I'll click on the page I want to switch. I'll switch to that page, and I'll click on the three lines again. Then when I scroll down, there is settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, I'll click on settings. From settings, I'll go to page settings. From page settings, when you scroll down, you see blocking. Then as you can see, block people, add to block list. So I can click on add to block list and type the name of the person. So for example, if I want to block someone like so as you can see, these are people that I want to block. So when you just click on the person's name, they will ask you to confirm, so you confirm. So you are done. That person is blocked. I cannot see any of your content again. So that is the first part of blocking someone on Facebook. That's the first part. Now the second part is this. If you have the Business Suite app, you open to the Business Suite app, and then you come to inbox. You click on the inbox, you see comment and messages. So you see under the messages any comment that is there, or any message that you don't want to see. For example, let's say I want to block, let me just use one of the comments and illustrate as an example for you. Okay, so let's say I want to block this comment or block this user. I just click delete and block, and then so when I click on delete comment and block, it will delete and block the person permanently. Yeah, so that is it. So this is how to be able to block someone on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel for better and more powerful other videos like this. Bye bye.